And I want to show you an unpacking of my new template, Mom, Love You to the Moon and Back. So this is a great template. It has a lot of features that you can customize for yourself. So the first thing you'll be able to see is that the word mom can be clicked on or off. So you don't have to make it a Mother's Day template, but it could be a wonderful Mother's Day template. You can also change it and add in, a person's name or dad. The words Love You to the Moon and Back also can be clicked on or clicked off. You'll notice that the words have an effect already placed there, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So if you want to change the color of the words, you click on the word effect and you go to the color overlay that I have already applied, and you'll see that that is the color. If you want to change the color, you might want to change it to purple. You just change it within the color overlay of the effect. So you don't have to leave it. You can turn it on and off right here with the little eyeball. If you'd like to apply that, I'm going to have this applied to the mom as well. So what I would do is right click on mom, go to blending options, and choose color overlay. And it already is set to the same color I had. If you want it to be a different color, you click on the color here. Maybe you want that to be blue and press OK, blue, purple. You'll also notice that there is a moon and star. These are your clipping masks. So it's moon and star. I'm going to write masks. There. The folder is going to be called clipping masks. You have the stars that can be turned on or turned off, and you have the moon. Now what you're going to do is you're going to bring in a picture. File, place embedded, and I'm going to bring this picture in here. I'm going to stretch this picture out a little bit so it covers pretty much the whole canvas. Press OK. And I'm going to take the picture, right click on it, create clipping mask, and I'm going to clip it to the one below. So now I have this lovely image. Then again, I wouldn't want mom to be those colors, or I love you to the moon and back. So I might want to turn off those effects, or I can turn on the effect again. Click on it, click on the color, pick up a color from the photo, maybe this yellow, maybe some green. Something pretty. That's okay. And you can change your effect that way. Or you can turn it off completely. The other thing I want to show you is that I have clipped the picture to the entire folder. You can close this folder. It says clipping masks. You want to clip it to the folder. If you only clip it to the moon clipping mask, then you'll see that the photo does not bleed through on the stars. You might like the way that looks even better. But if you would like the stars and the moon for the photos to come through, you will create your clipping mask, on top of the folder like this. And now you can see that the image is coming through on the stars as well. You've been provided with some watercolor background paper, which is lovely. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.